Well, hello and welcome to the Subtech Off-Road Life channel. And I'm here tonight finishing up the editing of this video, which you're going to love. I sure do hope. It's all for you. It's from April of this year. Wheeling in the country. Some crazy stuff going on out there. We got the normal crew, Cord, Wesson, Keeney, and some trick driver girls. And a dog buckled up in a Jeep. Lots of stuff. So, oh, and some dudes from Alabama. Lots of fun stuff. So, without any further ado, here we go. Yeah. That dog. He's like, what the hell, what the hell, what the hell? Let me out of here, let me out of here. Oh, he's got him tied up in there. Doing it in a four-wheeler.
I think it was the first good ride after I had all this fancy bullshit on here. Me and Merle was out here.
Well, here I am up atop Money Hill. I get a lot of videos from out here, but this time I want to be at the top of it. See how it looks. Cord down there, he's going to try to get that buggy up. You gotta do?
We'll get my list in for you.
Oh, they're ready to go.
Yeah.
Alright.
Time out.
He's gonna fix that.
I'm tired of hearing your time squeak. There you go.
It was good for a little while after I washed it the other day and it started back last night.
Yeah. Good now.
Thank you.
Turn it off. Shut it off. Turn it off.
Driver's side, right in the field.
He ain't going out if that dog ain't going out of there. Now just don't get laid over up there. Like yeah. That was almost a sideways party. Yeah, we're recording.
Hey! Hey!
Freya! Hey, Freya!
Oh, shit!
Oops. Yeah, it smells like. Yeah, you did. You act like you knew what you was doing when you did that. Yeah! That didn't sound good. I hope that wasn't his daily driver. Are you laughing or trying not to puke?
What?
She's like,
What's the worst thing? I mean, we landed on our rear end.
trying to get that line different than what you showed him.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was my first flip right there, George. I want
First
you to
time?
airdrop that to me.
First time you did that?
First time I've ever flipped. It wasn't as bad as I was expecting it to be.
A little harder than that.
Stay on the gas. You're right, Kate.
What is that?
His is taller than mine, so his might really have it. Broke axle on the rear. Out of knuckle. That's what you get when you buy a turbo.
Right there's the line. Go straight right there.
You see?
Oh my God.
Take a picture of us.
No.
You see? She reached out
Can I
there.
have another picture?
She reached
I
out there.
lost my yeah, I grabbed my hat. I wanted my hat. It was not getting crushed. Carly, I lost your hat.
Oh, stay in it.
I hit my arm.
Stay in it. Let's just flip it
Oh, I
over.
found my hat.
Here we go.
Oh my gosh. Hey, my phone stayed in. Y'all got this. I believe in you.
Oh, I think we're gonna need more than this.
Go, 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 go. Oh no, bro.
You broke it good this time.
Oh, shit.
So bad. Ain't got no gas in it.
My door's broke.
I don't think you're gonna drive it back to the house.
Yeah, I don't think so either.
Yeah, you got it that time.
You can see that best when you're standing here watching. When
Right.
you're in the seat, it's a whole.
Yeah, it feels awkward if you stay in it.
It's just like
I don't know what it's gonna do.
seeing the line when you're in the seat. You see one thing. Guy standing outside sees a better line.
Yep, completely different line.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Come on. Oop, there you
Tell
go.
that guy I got a damn air gauge if he wants to listen to me about it.
This is why we can't have nice things.
Hey, you're not gonna get anywhere if you don't hit nice things. But I didn't crush my hat. I grabbed it before it hit the ground.
I thought Ashley sticking her hand out that freaking window. All right, well, that was one heck of a ride. That was back before I got Muddy Mary. I still had the four-wheeler. You catch my granddaughter in there, Freya, and lots of fun stuff. Like I told you, some trick riders and them girls knowing how to flip that thing. That's why we can't have nice stuff. But hey, it was fun. I thank you so much for coming this far. And I got more stuff coming. You know, every week I'm gonna put out the big video. Throw a lot of shorts in between. And I'm just loving doing it, and I hope you guys love it too. If you haven't yet done so, please subscribe. Hit that bell so you can get the notifications of the stuff that I'm putting out. And go to Instagram and Facebook, both Subtac Off-Road Life. Give them likes, loves, follows, whatever it is they need. And because I need the support. This camera's about to die. I need a new one. I appreciate it. I thank you. I will see you out there on the trails.